Some seafarers lose their jobs not because they are weak, but because they made one wrong choice. One mistake can erase years of sacrifice. Today, I will share the mistakes that can end your career on board and how you can avoid them. Hi everyone, this is Tintin, former Royal Caribbean crew, and welcome back to my channel. On this channel, I share real tips, guides, and experiences to help new applicants and seafarers succeed in the cruise ship industry. If you are dreaming or working on a cruise ship or you are already on board, this video is for you. Mistake number one, breaking company rules. First mistake, breaking company rules. Many crew think it's just one time. No one will see. It's okay, others do it. But on board, nothing is hidden. I've seen hardworking people lose everything because they ignored one rule: drinking at the wrong time, skipping safety procedures, entering restricted areas, or using their phone during duty. One report, one investigation, one termination. Years of sacrifice gone. My advice: treat company rules like your lifeline. Those rules protect your job. Those rules protect your family future. If you are unsure, ask. If you are tired, still follow. If others break rules, don't copy them. Protect your name. Protect your record. Mistake number two, bad attitude and disrespect. Second mistake, bad attitude. Some crew are skilled, fast, and experienced, but they are arrogant, rude, and negative. They talk back to supervisors. They complain all the time. They gossip. They blame others. And slowly, management notice. Talent may open the door, but attitude decides if you stay. My advice: be teachable, be humble. Even if you know more, stay respectful. Even if you are tired, stay professional. Learn to say yes, sir, yes, ma'am, thank you, I'm sorry, I will improve. Those words can save your career. Mistake number three, losing focus because of relationship and drama. Third mistake, losing focus because of relationship, emotions, and drama. Let me speak to you from my heart. You did not leave your family. You did not leave your children. You did not leave your parents just to get distracted on board. You are there because of them, because of their dreams, because of your dreams. When you feel lonely, when you feel tempted, when emotions become heavy, remember your wife praying for you, your children waiting for your call, your family depending on your salary. You are not on that ship for temporary happiness. You are there for permanent change. My advice: always remember your why. Put your family photos on your phone. Pray every day. Remind yourself why you started. Love can wait. Drama can wait. Your dreams cannot. Choose purpose over pleasure. Mistake number four, laziness and cutting corners. Fourth mistake, being lazy and taking shortcuts. Some crew only work hard when supervisors are watching. When no one is around, they relax. They rush cleaning, they skip details, they ignore standards. But on board, everything is monitored. CCTV, reports, guest feedback, evaluations. Sooner or later, it catches up. My advice: work with excellence, not for praise. Work as if CEO is watching. Work as if your family is watching. Do your best even on tired days. Do your best even when no one says thank you. Your consistency builds your reputation. Mistake number 5, not improving yourself and not preparing for life after the ship. Fifth mistake, not growing and not preparing for future. Some crew become too comfortable on board. They say, I'm earning well now. I'm okay here. Later na lang. Years pass, contract ends, bodies get tired, opportunities are missed. Then one day, they leave the ship with no clear plan, no new skills, no direction. And that is painful. Many people forget this. Working on a cruise ship is not forever, but what you can learn here can change your life forever if you use it well. Your international experience, your discipline, your customer service skills, your leadership, your work ethic. These are powerful tools. When you go home, you can become a hotel manager, a restaurant supervisor, a trainer, a business owner, a respected professional if you prepare. My advice, use your shift life as your training ground. Don't just work, learn. Don't just earn, prepare. Don't just survive, build. Study, get certificates, improve your English, learn leadership, build connection, save for business. So when you leave the ship, you are not afraid. You are confident because you know I am ready, I have skills, I have value, I have future. Mistake number 6, poor money management. Sixth mistake, mismanaging money. Many crew earn good salaries but go home with nothing. Too much shopping, too much gadgets, too much lending, no savings. Then when emergency comes, they suffer. My advice, pay yourself first. Save before spending. Set goals. Build emergency funds. Think long term. Your contract will end, your needs will not. Be wise with what you work hard for. Let me be honest with you. Life on board is hard. You will miss birthdays, you will miss holidays, you will miss important moments. You will cry sometimes, you will feel lonely sometimes, but every sacrifice has meaning. I have seen ordinary people build extraordinary lives because they stayed disciplined. If you are watching this today, remember you are capable, you are strong, you are chosen for a reason. But success is protected by discipline, integrity, focus, and faith. Don't destroy your future for temporary comfort. Protect your dream, protect your family future, and protect your career. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. Comment below what topic you want next. This is Tintin, former Royal Caribbean crew, sharing real-life tips and guides for future seafarers. See you on my next video. God bless and good luck on your journey.